It is still wow. Wait. Let me ensure it I show properly. This is nice. 1 minute. Let me go and wash it so I can try it on. Okay, so we're back. This is the lighting always play with me. The lighting is always playing with me. This is the glasses. This is the glasses. It's a black and yellow. Just wash them. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute pair of glasses. No, everything seems a bit orange, but excuse me? Exactly. Exactly. Let me shake up my hair just a tad bit. I hope the lighting is not playing with you guys because I can't really see it. Um, excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse? It's the traveler. Excuse me? Exactly. I love these. I love these so much. Anyways, the lighting keep on going in and out. But they're very stiff, so you have to be gentle with them. But I love them. Alright, bye.